Okay, so task slow provider warning sets the slow provider warning for all tasks. So it doesn't say in the setting, and the documentation is also not clear on the decision criteria for um, uh, what is slow, what slow means, like what's um, how do you decide or how do you define when to show this warning, and the documentation is not clear on that. But either way, it does, and let me show you the documentation. It just says that when a task provider is running slowly, they don't define what this means. We now show a warning offering suggestions for how to avoid a slowdown, right? And so you'll have this little warning here. So I find that it's just probably more useful to leave this setting set to true, because if a task provider is too slow, it will show you that warning so that you can correct it. But I'd love to, if someone knows what slow means here, I'd love to know it. And so if you do, please comment down below, and I'll create another video with that information. But pretty straightforward setting. So I'm leaving this one set to true.